Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on multiple niches. So guys, as you know, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a logo on finance niche. Finance niche is now very trending nowadays, so you can get good amount of money from it. So how you can make money? You can go to Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and sell your skill there, or you can go to social media pages and sell them your services, or you can go to websites on google.com related to finance and sell your services there, or you can grow or you can make logo for your own Instagram theme page related to finance. So opportunities are limitless, so let's go. So we made this logo in Canva. So we are in Canva. So if you don't know about Canva in case, so Canva.com is a graphic designing software available online, and it is very easy to use, it is very handy, it is easy to learn. If you want to know completely about Canva, so go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete series on Canva. So after watching the series, I will surely say that you know almost everything about Canva. It is a to Z course. So let's move towards our video. So click on create a design. Here I search for logo 500 by 500. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So wait. So it is loaded. So I'm going to elements, and here I search finance. So I search for graphics. So there are different finance elements available, so we will choose one of them and let's see. Yeah, I like this one. This one is good, and our company name is W Finance. So W, so I write text here. Now I want to change the text font style, means font style. Yeah, it's look good. And after that I select this one and paste it in the center and change the background color. Yeah, this look good. Let's see if we need any change. So it's okay. So our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.